Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lizzie and I post a lot of beauty related content here on YouTube. If they're the videos you love to watch, then please hit that subscribe button down below. Today we are doing another lip swatch video. So right now I have a dog rubbing her ass on my slippers. We are testing the new Studio London lipsticks. So you have the 12-hour velvet formula and you've got the 12-hour satin formula. And the difference is with the velvet, the case is more like sleek and not shiny, kind of matte. And this one is more shiny with the satin formula. So that's how you can tell the difference. Right now I have 9 lipsticks in front of me. 4 are velvet, so they're the matte looking formula, and 5 are satin, which are the shinier looking packaging. So yeah, they retail for Superdrugs keep doing offers. They had like 10% off, so let's see how much they are. Alright, so they're 3 for 2 and they've got 10% off and they're £5 each. So I thought they would be a little bit more cheaper, but they're not. Let's start with the velvet formula. We've got 4 shades here. We've got Feeling Powerful, Feeling Ambitious, Feeling Disruptive and Feeling Fierce. That is the shade Powerful. Just going to open them up and see which shade I should start with. Then we've got Ambitious, which is quite a light brown. Oh, berry tone, Feeling Disruptive. That's a very me shade. And lastly, we've got Fierce, which looks like a orange toned red. I'm going to start off with Ambitious. That is what Ambitious looks like. Very like, I don't know. That's one of those shades where it's brown, but like a peachy brown. Oh, and right now I have Velvet from the Rockstar lipstick collection from Revolution. Shade is so good. This shade, definitely a peachy brown, and it's a very wearable shade for my skin tone too. I could put a liner on it or I could wear it just like this. Formula is definitely more of a matte formula, so they didn't really glide on, but they didn't tug at my lips too much. They felt really nice on the lips, but they look very matte and they look very comfortable as well, so they don't look drying. They're super soft, so very, very happy with that. The next shade we have here is Feeling Powerful, which is a dark brown. I'm ready for this one. I love how we've got everything. We've got a nude, a dark brown, we've got a purple, and we've got a red looking shade, so let's put this on. This shade is not as deep as I thought it would be because I quickly looked at the shade. It's definitely a more warmer brown. Love it, love it, love it, love it. It's a really nice shade. Very creamy, and it didn't tug at the lips again to where dog's sitting in a bag. It feels really nice on the lips and I love this shade. Those two mixed together would be perfect, like an ombre lip. I'm going to try the orangey red next, which is Feeling Fierce. Ooh. It looked a bit orangey red here, but it's more of like that cherry toned red. This shade, oh my god. Just make sure it's not on my teeth. This shade is really, really nice. It's a very Christmassy type red, I feel like. Perfect. If it was a little bit darker, amazing, but it's perfect. It's perfect, perfect, perfect Christmassy type red. But the next shade that I'm really looking forward to is this Feeling Disruptive. This berry toned, oh, it's gonna look gorgeous on the lips. This shade, this is the shade that I need. This shade goes perfect with this top. It's my favorite. It is my favorite out of all of them. All of them actually do say on the lid that they are vegan and they've got the leaping bunny, which means they're cruelty free too. So we have finished the swatches of the velvet shades. Now we're going to go on to the satin shades. So I'm just going to open them up like I did with the other ones. So, oh, that is Feeling Cute. That's a nice one. Feeling Sassy. Lively. Some of them do come off. That's how cheap the packaging is, but hey ho. Then we've got Lavish. I just dropped it. And then we've got Exclusive. So the first one I'm going to go for is Feeling Lively because it looks like a bit of a nude. Very balmy. That was a lot of layers to get that. So let's try it. But it just means it'll be nicer on my lips because these do kind of hurt getting them off and putting a fresh one on. Okay, this shade was really hard to get this kind of pigmentation on. The velvet ones are much more pigmented than these. These you've got to go around a few times, very balmy, and it's not gonna like cover the shades that I've got around my lips that I couldn't get off. It depends on what formula you like. I do like a good pigmented lipstick, but if I'm going for something soft, then I'll probably reach for these. But the next shade we've got is Feeling Cute. It's a light pink, I would say. This pink I actually really do like, and it didn't take as many layers to get this kind of pigmentation. I think it's because it's a little bit darker than the previous one. Yeah, I like it. I do like this kind of pink. Definitely will go well with a nice deep pink liner. And then the next shade that we're gonna try is a deeper pink called Feeling Sassy. Oh, much more deeper. So let's see what that one looks like. This isn't necessarily a pink I would go for all the time. Definitely a berry bright pink, I feel like. And I do love a good berry pink, but if it was a bit deeper than this, I think this is a bit more, like this is true deep pink, if that makes sense. Next shade we're going to try is Feeling Exclusive. Okay. Let's see what that looks like on the lips. I feel like this one has got such like a orangey undertone to it, like an orangey red. It is really nice. I feel like I would gravitate towards this colour a little bit, you know. But the next shade, Feeling Lavish. This is my kind of shade. It's definitely more of a satin formula compared to its velvet counterpart, which I believe was the shade Disruptive. So yes, let's try it. This is my favorite shade out of all the shades from the satin range. Again, it's funny because my favorite shade was Feeling Disruptive out of the velvet range, so you know what colors I like. This is definitely a me shade, very comfortable. They're so much more smoother than the velvet ones. Velvet ones were comfortable. You could move them around on your lips and they were smooth, but these are like cream on your lips. They're very balmy but very pigmented. Again, the lighter ones weren't as pigmented, but the deeper ones definitely much more pigmented. £5 lipstick. I feel like they should be about £3–4. The packaging, some of them are stable, some of them aren't. The colours are lovely. We've got a lovely selection here of colours. You've got a nude, you've got browns, you've got reds, you've got berries, so it's a good collection to come out with. Studio London has just dropped on Superdrugs. They literally have like so many different things. I've got some like cream blushes to try. I've got their lip liners to try, but for now I wanted to start with my favorite product, which is lipsticks. I am so in love with these. I could see myself wearing them a lot, and 3 for 2 with 10% off. You really can't go wrong, can you? So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Please smash it a huge thumbs up. Let me know if there's any shades you really love or you'll be picking up, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye.